Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll not loading. This is the most common reason Crunchyroll won't load. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. Try opening other app or website to test it. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then reopen Crunchyroll and check again. Completely close Crunchyroll. On phone, swipe the app away. On PC, close the tab. Then reopen Crunchyroll and see if it loads. Restarting clears small glitches. Turn your phone, tablet or computer off. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Open Crunchyroll again. Go to App Store or Play Store and make sure Crunchyroll is fully updated. If you are using a browser, update it too. Outdated versions can cause loading problem. If you are using VPN, proxy or ad blocker, turn it off. These can block Crunchyroll from loading properly. After turning them off, reload Crunchyroll. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.